We are following mathematics textbook of class 8th pertaining to Telangana government. Here open page number 95. In page number 95, look at 7th question. Find x if 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. We are going to solve this problem in this video. 7th problem is find x if 2 to the power of minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of x. Look here, it is 1 by 2 to the power of x. By using laws of exponents, let us see how can we write this. As per this law of exponents, 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. And by using this law, how we can write this? Let us see. Let us see how we can write this. See here, we can write 2 to the power of minus x based on this law of exponent. Based on this law of exponents, we can write 1 by 2 to the power of x as 2 to the power of minus x. Since both the bases are equal, by ignoring both the bases, we can write minus 3 is equal to minus x. Since both the bases are equal, we can write minus 3 is equal to minus x by ignoring both the bases. Now we can write 3 is equal to x by cancelling this minus symbol. Therefore, now we can conclude that x is equal to 3. The value of x is equal to 3. Understood? Let us solve next problem. This is page number 95. In page number 95, we are going to solve 8th problem. This problem we are going to solve. Let us see how can we solve this problem. We have to simplify this equation. Let us see how can we solve this equation. Before solving this equation, let us see what are the important points in this equation. See, here negative exponent is there, here negative exponent is there, here also negative exponent is there. Here division symbol is there. Again, these two things are fractions. This is also fraction. Here multiplication symbol is there. By step, I can show you how to solve this equation in a simple way. Please watch carefully. Look here, we are finding minus exponents here. Everywhere minus exponents are there. In case of minus exponents, we have to recollect a law of exponent. Look here, a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. Let us simplify this equation based on this law of exponents. Based on this law of exponents, we have written these terms like below. See, based on this law of exponents, we have written this 3 by 4 whole square whole to the whole power minus 2 as 1 by 3 by 4 whole square. In the same way, we have written this also based on this law of exponents. Let us see how can we write this by using laws of exponents. Look here, as per this law of exponents, a by b whole power m is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Based on this law of exponents, we have to simplify this part of the equation. So we have written 3 to the power of minus 2 by 5 to the power of minus 2. Here we have written this part as it is. Here we have written this part as it is. We have changed this part of the equation. See, here exponents are negative. By reversing these two things, we got exponents positive. See here, this is numerator. 3 to the power of minus 2 is a numerator. We have written as denominator. This is 5 to the power of minus 2 is a denominator. We have made it numerator. Upon reversing these two things, we got numerator positive. Let us simplify this part further. We have written this fraction in reverse order here and multiplied with 1. We reversed this fraction here and multiplied with 1. In the same way, we have to reverse this fraction and multiply with 1. In the same way, we reverse this fraction and multiply it with 1. See here, the numerator became denominator and denominator became numerator. Here also, denominator became numerator, numerator became denominator. కింద ఉన్నది పైకి, పైన ఉంది కిందికి వచ్చింది. దాన్ని మనం ఈ 1 తోటి మల్టిప్లై చేసాం. We have written this same to same. Let us simplify this equation further. On multiplication of this fraction with 1, we can write 4 square by 3 square. If you multiply any number or fraction with 1, we get same answer. So, we got 4 square by 3 square. Here also on multiplication with 1, we got 5 cube by 4 cube. We have written this same to same. Let us simplify this equation further. Before simplifying this equation, observe carefully. See here, division symbol is there. If division symbol is there, by putting multiplication symbol, we can change the order of this fraction. We have written this same to same. We have written multiplication symbol here. After writing multiplication symbol here, we have to change the order of this fraction. So we have to write in a reverse direction here. See, we have written 4 cube by 5 cube. కింద దాన్ని పైన, పైన దాన్ని కింద రాశాం. ఇది కింద ఉంది కదా, పైన రాశాం. పైన ఉంది, కింద రాశాం. We have written numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. We have written this same to same. Let us simplify this equation further. We can simplify this equation as detailed below. We have written 4 square here. We have written 4 cube here. We have written 5 square. We multiplied. The denominators also we multiplied. 3 square, 5 cube, 3 square. 3 square into 5 cube into 3 square. Let us simplify this equation by using laws of exponents. We know that a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Look here, both the bases are same here. Here also these two bases are same. Since bases are same, we can add the exponents of these two bases. Here also we can add the exponents of these two bases. Let us see how can we write. Look here, we have written 4 to the power of 2 plus 3. See here this exponent and this exponent we have added, and base 4 we have written base 4. Based on this law of exponents, we have written 4 square plus power 3 into 5 square. We have written 5 square as it is. See the denominators చూడండి. denominators చూసినట్టయితే ఈ బేస్ సేమ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 3 ఇక్కడ రాసుకున్నాము, అండ్ we added the exponents యాడ్ చేసుకున్నాం. 5 cube we have written 5 cube as it is. Now we got 4 to the power of 5 by 3 to the power of 4 into 5 square by 5 cube. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 2 plus 3 5 అయింది కాబట్టి we have written 5 to the power of 4 to the power of 5. ఇక్కడ 2 plus 2 4 అయింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 4 పెట్టుకున్నాము, బేస్ 3 పెట్టుకున్నాము, ఇక్కడ 5 స్క్వేర్ రాసుకున్నాము, ఇక్కడ 5 క్యూబ్ రాసుకున్నాము. By using a law of exponents, we can simplify this equation further. As per laws of exponents, a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal a to the power of m minus n అని రాసుకోవచ్చు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ దీన్ని by using this law of exponents, let us simplify this part. By using this law of exponents, we have written this fraction as 5 to the power of 2 minus 3. ఈ లా ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్స్ యూజ్ చేసి మనము దీన్ని 5 to the power of minus 3గా రాసుకున్నాము, దీన్ని యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా రాసుకున్నాము. Let us see what happens in the next step. Look at here, 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 అయింది కాబట్టి we have written 5 to the power of minus 1. We have written this as it is. Since we got minus exponent here, we have to recollect a law of exponents. We have to apply this law of exponents here. This is a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. By using this law of exponents, we simplified this as below 1 by 5. ఈ లా ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ యూజ్ చేసి 5 to the power of minus 1 1 by 5గా రాసుకున్నాము, దీన్ని యథావిధిగా కింద రాసుకున్నాము. Let us simplify this equation further. Since here we found multiplication symbol, we multiplied this numerator with this numerator. So we got 4 to the power of 5 into 1. Denominator also we multiplied 3 to the power of 4 with 5. So we got 3 to the power of 4 into 5. Let us simplify this further. Now we multiplied 4 to the power of 5 with 1. So we got 4 to the power of 5. Remaining denominator we have written as it is, 3 to the power of 4 into 5. So we have written 3 to the power of 4 into 5. This is the final answer.